Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. This is a video recording between Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52. Now both are recording in full HD 30 frames per second with super steady mode enabled on both the smartphones. In terms of video stabilization, both the smartphones are quite stable. I'm glad Samsung has included this option. Both the footage are quite smooth and stable. This is a video recording between Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52. I'm recording on 4K 30 frames per second on both the smartphones. There is no super steady mode enabled on both the smartphones as it doesn't support in 4K 30 frames per second. Let me know in the comments below if you find any difference in the video quality. In terms of stabilization, I think both are quite shaky. This is a video recording between Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52. Now both the smartphones are recording in 1080p 60 frames per second. Samsung just released this new feature in the software update. I think in terms of the video quality, both are crisp, but unfortunately there is no stabilization on this mode. This is Full HD 30 frames per second, super steady mode on Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.